Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is your brother Tabari Zahir, founder of the Lamps of Light Project, licensed clinician and addiction specialist. About 2 months ago, a public defender in Orange County shared a heartbreaking story with me. He had 37 Muslim youth on his caseload, incarcerated for either drug abuse or use, but they were eligible for release. The youth refused. Why? Because there are no recovery programs that facilitate the faith of Muslims. They had already been to places that did not give them halal food, would not allow them Jumu'ah services, would not allow them to congregate for prayer, and would force them to study the Bible. They just weren't going to do it again. This is where Lamps of Light is stepping up. We are expanding our outpatient clinical services to include an inpatient Muslim recovery center. That is what this place here is going to be. This is very important because it's the very first Muslim recovery center in Southern California where Muslim youth can come and heal according to the tenets of their faith. We're going to open it up for Muslims nationwide, but we're going to need your help. We cannot do this alone. We need your support. Be a lamp of light and donate today to help our brothers and our sisters to reclaim, to rebuild their lives according to the tenets of Islam. Jazakallahu khairan. We're looking forward to working with you.